Hi, Porrick here from Horkans. Well, to keep your plants blooming right through to the end of the season, my advice is to treat them with Blooming Magic. Blooming Magic is a high potassium feed. It's suitable for all flowering plants, hanging baskets, window boxes, planter containers. It's also brilliant for all fruiting plants and herbs. It's a liquid. You simply mix 30 ml, a capful of the Blooming Magic, to 9 litres of water and apply it once a week on strawberries, on fruiting plants, on hanging baskets and flower borders to keep them blooming right through to the end of the season. So remember, if you want your plants blooming right through until early winter, my advice is to feed them weekly with Blooming Magic. You'll find it blooming brilliant.